Imagine a world where machines could think like us, make decisions, and even predict our needs. What if they could learn from their experiences just as we do? This isn't a plot from a science fiction novel, but the reality of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating realm where machines mimic human intelligence. But what's the magic behind this? The answer lies in complex algorithms, the brains behind AI. These algorithms might seem intimidating, but they're not as complicated as they appear. Consider an algorithm as a recipe. Just as a recipe guides you to make a perfect dish, an algorithm instructs a computer to perform a task. It's a step-by-step procedure, which the computer follows to solve a problem or make a decision. Let's delve deeper into these algorithms, starting with supervised learning. It's akin to a kid learning under the supervision of a teacher. The teacher provides the kid with examples, and based on these, the kid learns and makes future decisions. Similarly, in supervised learning, the algorithm learns from labeled examples and uses this learning to predict outcomes for new, unseen data. Next, we have unsupervised learning, which is like a kid learning through exploration without any guidance. The algorithm in this case identifies patterns and relationships in the given data, without any prior training. Then, there's reinforcement learning. Imagine teaching a dog new tricks. You reward the dog when it does something right and ignore it when it does something wrong. Gradually, the dog learns to perform the right actions to get the reward. In the same way, the reinforcement learning algorithm learns by interacting with its environment. It chooses actions based on the reward or punishment it receives. Lastly, we have deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. It's like a human brain with artificial neural networks. These networks have layers, and each layer learns something different about the data. When combined, they provide a comprehensive understanding of the data. Artificial intelligence might sound like rocket science, but it's all about patterns, learning, rewards, and punishments. It's about breaking down a complex problem into smaller, manageable tasks. To sum up, we've discussed 4 key types of AI algorithms: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and deep learning. Each of these algorithms has a unique way of learning and predicting. Supervised learning learns from labeled examples. Unsupervised learning identifies patterns without any training. Reinforcement learning learns from rewards and punishments. And deep learning uses artificial neural networks to learn from data. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence is not about creating machines that think like us, but machines that help us think better. It's about augmenting our capabilities and making our lives easier. So, the next time you hear about AI, remember it's not as complex as it seems. It's just a different way of problem solving, a new way of learning.